Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop. Today I have recently bought myself an 8-gallon air compressor, as well as some little accessory kits. I have a little air wheel here, so I'm going to go through, do this unboxing for you. Let's get into opening, guys. Alright, so first thing we have is the little manual here. So it starts off with a big thing of styrofoam. So, gotta love that new tool smell. Alright, so I'm just gonna move everything off this bench, and I'm gonna move it over to that bench, split this, put it up onto there, and then I'll rearrange your view. And that's another thing left inside the box. So. There is the 8-gallon air compressor. Just some statistics for you guys. This is an 8-gallon, 1.8 horsepower motor. This can handle, what is it? 5.5 CFM at 90 psi, 150 psi max. 4.0 CFM at 90 psi as well. So for those of you interested in that. This has a tank regulator on it to say how much pressure is in the tank. There's the tool regulator, so how much air is coming out of this little nozzle here. On-off switch is right back here. This, I believe, would be a handle of a sort. I also recently got all the stuff I got on sale. This is a 3/8 50-foot airline. It is rubber and PVC. It's rated down to -12, I think, if I remember that correctly. But this has a quarter thread on each end of it. And then I also went ahead and got myself this little blowgun or air tool kit, so for filling tires. Some different quick connect couplings, you know, sports valve, mattress, blowgun, some tape, and the other quick connects, a few other little connections. So. Alright guys, so I'm back. It's actually been a little while. So what I had to do when I first got this was I had to actually turn it on. There's a little valve at the bottom here to drain the air out. That's what you're supposed to do at the end of every day after you use it. But, so for the very first setup, once you get a new air compressor, or at least for this MasterCraft 8-gallon vertical tank, you're actually supposed to turn it on, open the regulator all the way, make sure nothing's in this, open the drain valve so air can just get pumped right through it. It's actually supposed to run for about half an hour. So that's what I've been doing. I had it run for half an hour. In the meantime, while it was running, I also had, actually went through with some Teflon tape, set up the quick connects for this 3/8 50-foot line, and then came over, set up some more quick connects on the end of this. One of the quick connects onto this little spring pullback airline. This is only 1/4-inch airline, and then on the end I have another quick connect with a little blowgun, so just pops out, pops back in. Then there's just little nozzles that you can change on, so right now I'm probably going to end up using the blowgun one for a lot of things, just for probably cleaning machines until I get some tooling for the air compressor, but this is just a little blowgun tip. This is just the unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't really too much in depth about going through anything or how everything was done, but the stuff that came in the kit for all these connections is all very straightforward. It's all the same. This is already a quick connect onto this valve, so all I did was literally just attach this quick connect onto the hose that I got with this kit here. It's pretty straightforward. You just take some Teflon tape, wrap it around a few times on each little connection, and go from there. There's nothing leaking on it. The only times this sometimes leak is that this has a little rotisserie thing right here at the nut that sometimes if you tilt it a certain way leaks. Really not that big of a deal, like maybe it's just a little tss, and then that's it. I also hooked up this little hose wheel as well, so just onto the side of it. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down in the comment section down below for future video ideas. So other than that, you'll probably see this in other videos. Make sure to look for it. And other than that, have a great day, guys.